Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Eitan. I'm a local SEO expert, and this is going to be a quick video on how to pass the advanced verification certificate for Google. This is for garage doors and locksmiths. It's very specific for these two industries. Google opened faction, a little department in their company that deals with garage doors and locksmiths. Why is there advanced verification for garage doors and locksmith? Well, that's because of two major reasons. The first reason is because it tends to be an emergency service, and the second reason is because it deals with the security of people's homes. Because of those two reasons, Google decided to add extra security to better ensure its clients, people basically searching up in Google. Okay, what do you get basically by getting your account advanced verification verified? Well, first thing, you can run Google Ads. Google Ads, the old Google search ads, for garage door, garage repair near me, garage repair in my area, garage your spring repair, locksmith, and then the city name. Basically, you can run campaigns in Google. Very expensive in those industries, and this is why the second and my favorite reason why to get advanced verification is to have a Google guarantee account. Guarantee accounts are great. Let me show you very quick how that looks like. Okay, so it's this little thing right here. You see the businesses that pop up when you type in San Diego plumber or San Diego locksmith, San Diego garage door repair. You will get the Google guarantee, and that goes before the Google ads, before the organic maps, before the organic website, before everything. This is the first thing that appears. Great for locksmiths and garage doors. I've seen businesses get 600, 700, even 800 leads a month just from one Google guarantee in one city. So it can be very profitable. Okay, so what exactly do you need to pass the advanced verification certificate? Well, let's start with a tutorial. As we go, I'll explain exactly the part. So first thing you want to do is go to the description, download. You don't need to download, just go into this link. You'll have a bunch of links to all the relevant pages, and then you basically sign up and you start the process. My favorite way of starting the process is through the this link right here, Google Guarantee sign up link, local services ads. So you can actually go to the advanced verification application link, and you can manually start the process, apply for advanced verification. You fill out your business information, website, owner name, phone number, zip code, city. If you do need a license in your state, if it's required, they'll ask you here. Like in California, you need a very lengthy license to get in the garage door industry, while in Florida, you don't really need one. So it really depends on the state that you're on. So that depends. You'll either put locksmith, contractor license, or no other license. Contractor license is basically garage door license. But my favorite way of doing it is through the Google Guarantee sign up link. So what you guys would do is you would go into the Google Guarantee local service ads, what I just showed you a little earlier, and you'll sign in and you'll create a new account. You'll start the Google Guarantee screening process. They will do a very quick background check on you. You'll have to send your basically social security number, your email, the emails and social securities of your employees in case that you have some. They'll go through that. They also ask you to get a couple reviews. And now recently, as of December 2024, you also require a Google Maps, okay? Google Business Profile. So that is a must today. That's how you get reviews. That's how you get your Google Guarantee verified. Once you fill out everything in the Google Guarantee, you will get an email from Google. This email will be from the advanced verification team. They will basically start the process for you. Once that happens, once they send the email, this is the email you're gonna get. This is how it's gonna look like. First email from advanced verification. They might ask for other things like LLC, articles of organization, very simple documents that any business should have. You go in here and you get this lengthy email, and they basically require a lot of things. There's a specific way of sending and formatting this email for the highest success rates. I'll show you this in this video. Let's go over the documents very, very quickly. Let's go back. Okay, you need a branded vehicle. Branded vehicle should be like this. The more branded, the better. If you can also use a magnet, that's fine. But from my experience, the more branded it is, the more legit it looks, the more those Google employees will more likely let you pass the advanced verification without problems. That's first thing. Branded vehicle, very important. The more you spend on this, the higher the chances. Business cards, front and back, very simple. Any business card will do something like that. Just make sure your address is there, your registered address, very important. Utility bill. So you would want to have a utility bill of your registered address with the address in there. So it should be from the last 3 months. So if you're applying for December, you want it December, November, October, basically, no older than that. And then we have other things like business tools, where you basically want to take pictures of your tools, and then next to it, the business card. I blurred it just to keep my client's identity secret. And then we have business invoice, which is the same idea. It's just a regular invoice. It must be branded and it should have the address in there. Very important. Your address is your registered business address. In case you're registering a PO box, then I recommend keep that registration there, but then start the advanced verification with your home address, because they're gonna ask for pictures of the outside and inside of your home, which is important. That's just very simple. It's just like the front of your house, from close up and from far away. I also made here an organized documents for requirements, where it's very easy. It goes over all of the stuff you need. Also here I made a documents and images tracking list that I'm gonna share, guys, with you, so that you can save in your computer. You can make a copy of it and then keep it for yourself. Here you have business card, insurance, utility bill, business invoice, EIN, contractor license. Yes, you do need an insurance for the Google guarantee. Vehicle from every side, picture from all the sides. Building, we went over that. Street sign, this is not a necessity. I just like adding as much as possible. Tools, images, website, and phone number. You just want to have a legit business with all of these things, so you can show to Google and they can say, all right, you're a legit business, you're not a scammer, we give you permission to run a campaign now. Okay, so you went through the Google local services ads, you went through the Google guarantee screening. Now you got an email from the advanced verification team, and now you're replying to this email with all of your business documents and images of your address, of your vehicle, branded vehicle, business cards, etc., etc. Then here's where it gets interesting. Now you wait. The advanced verification process can take a long time, anywhere from 3 months, 2 months in the shortest. That's a record time, 2 months, all the way to a year. Yes, it can take up to a year. It takes them forever to answer, and when they answer, they will most likely ask you for additional things. It is very common for you to send a completely nice and valid utility bill or invoice, and they will just want another one. This is just extra screening processes that they add just to better filter the real businesses with the scammers. Alright guys, hope you like this one. I'm going to share this entire list with you guys with all of these links, so you get an idea of, you have all these links, basically where to sign up, organized documents. You can just copy this and then make a copy here. You just go to make a copy. And yeah, if you would like my services, I have a link in the description with a landing page going over my pricing for me to do this completely done for you, and open a Google Maps as well, which is required today if you don't have one. Anyways, have a good one. Bye bye. Hope it helped.